Hi guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun video. It's a collab video. So I'm collabing with Misti. So she was formerly known as Couponing Misti, but now she's changed her name. Her Instagram name is simply Mistis. So I decided to team up and do a what I eat in a day video. So Misti took quite a break from YouTube and she actually started the keto diet during that break and she lost 40 pounds in 12 weeks. So that is craziness. So I'm so incredibly proud of you, Misti, and I'm so excited to pair up with you on this video. So Misti does the keto diet and I do Weight Watchers. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what I eat in a day on Weight Watchers, and she's gonna share with you guys what she eats in a day on keto. So this is gonna kind of give you guys a look into both of the diets. So keto and Weight Watchers. There's a lot of similarities actually, because Weight Watchers low point foods are the foods that are high in protein, low in carb, low in sugar. And I know the keto diet, briefly, I'm gonna learn more continuing to watch Misti's channel, but there's a lot of similarities when it comes to Weight Watchers and the keto diet. So if you're at all interested in signing up for Weight Watchers, I'll have a link below. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. It's just a link if you wanna go ahead and sign up. I do the online plan, so you know, we kinda do Weight Watchers together, and all of the food videos I've been putting up recently, I've included the Weight Watcher points with them. So make sure you go and check out Misti's channel as well as her video. Let her know that I sent you, and let's just go ahead and get into the video.
Okay, so I always start my morning with a 16-ounce glass of water along with a banana. I'm a slower eater. Earlier in the morning, so I usually have 2 breakfasts. So it's 8 o'clock right now, so I'll eat this now. And then probably around 10:30 I'll make some eggs. But then I also take my vitamins every single day. So I take the hair, skin, and nail vitamins, and I'm also still taking prenatal vitamins because I am breastfeeding. And to keep track of my water, I got these magnets from the Dollar Tree. So I basically just keep a tally all day long of how much water I'm drinking every single day. So it's really easy. You could even do this, you know, at your work. If your work has a refrigerator with like a fridge that has a magnet, you could do this. If you have a file cabinet, you can go ahead and do this. But I just make a tally every single time I drink my water. So my goal is to get 8 to 16-ounce glasses of water a day, because I'm breastfeeding, so you need to have a lot of liquid because a lot of liquid comes out. So this is my first breakfast of the day.
So something else that I will go ahead and have every single day is my coffee order from Starbucks. So I get a venti iced coffee, easy ice, extra half and half, sugar-free vanilla sweetener. So I don't track this on Weight Watchers. I just don't. It's just one thing in the day that I have that makes me happy. So I don't like to deprive myself on any type of diet I'm on, but in terms of low sugar content, this is a great drink option because if you guys didn't know, regular half and half has very low carb content and it has very low sugar content. So in terms of a low sugar option and a low carb option, getting this drink is a good choice for me. Any of the drinks at Starbucks, if you're gonna get anything with heavy syrup, like the white mochas, the frappuccinos, the regular mochas, basically over half of the Starbucks menu, you're probably gonna drink away half of your daily calorie intake, fat intake, sugar intake. You're gonna drink all of that in just one sitting. So Starbucks is a place where if you are trying to watch what you're eating and your diet and trying to lose weight, you need to be very, very careful with Starbucks drinks. So yeah, I indulge in this every single day. This is like what gives me life throughout the day. It makes me happy. So on whatever type of diet I'm on, I don't like to deprive myself of things that make me so incredibly happy. And I run 4 days a week, about 2 miles a day. So I really don't worry about drinking a cup of iced coffee a day because I am so active. So I don't even bother. So every day I will go ahead and get my iced coffee. Okay, so I will usually eat like a second breakfast after a banana a little bit later. So I went ahead and made a egg sandwich with turkey and mustard and a mixture of 2 regular eggs and some egg whites. And this is the flat out folded
bread that I got, and these are 3 points on Weight Watchers. And the deli chicken, it's chicken. If I said turkey, it's really chicken. It's 1 point for like 6 ounces of meat. And then the eggs and the egg whites are 0. And then the flat out bread is 3 points. So this whole entire thing is 4 point total. And the key to keeping yourself full is to load yourself with protein. And I think that that's the same with the keto diet that Misty is on. So this whole entire thing is 4 points. And then I pair this with a glass of water. So I'm actually gonna down this, and then I'm gonna get an additional water, and then I'm just gonna keep on adding my tallies to my little tracker to make sure I'm getting enough water in today. Okay, so usually around between 1 and 2, I have some extra coffee. So what I do is I make a sugar-free mocha. So I actually have a recipe video that I'll go ahead and link for you guys, but I use the sugar-free Hershey's chocolate syrup. This is 0 points on Weight Watchers. And then I put in 4 tablespoons of half and half. So the total drink is 2 points, which is fantastic to get a little chocolate craving. So this syrup is 0 points on Weight Watchers. So I put 2 tablespoons in this guy. So I will have that recipe video below. And hey, if I have any Utah watchers, let me know if you are from Utah, because I'm sporting a Utah mug today. So 2 point sugar-free mocha is what I will then have at some point in the afternoon time. And then I always pair this with a additional glass of water, because coffee does dehydrate you. So I will pair my coffee with a large cup of water as well to avoid that dehydration. So I will go ahead and do a snack. So these are the chewy granola bars. These are 4 points. So I go for oat granola bars because I am breastfeeding. So oats do help with your milk supply. So I will go ahead and have a granola bar for a snack, and then, yep, another cup of water, and then I continue my little water tally. Okay, so this is my dinner part 1. So I eat every 2 to 3 hours. That's how your metabolism is going to stay up. So I have made a lactation smoothie. So I actually have a recipe video coming this week for what I put into my smoothie. So I pair that along with some crackers. So these are the Sprouts water crackers. You can have 8 of them for 4 points. And then my smoothie is a total of, let's see, 5 points for the peanut butter that's in there, and then I also have to count for the oats, which is 4, and then the almond milk I use is 2, so we're at 9, 10, 11 points. So yeah, 11 points for my smoothie. It sounds kind of high, but again, I have oats in it and peanut butter, so the protein and then the oats are going to promote milk supply. Okay, so it is the end of the night, so I have 4 points left for the day. So what I'm doing is I made more eggs. So I have 2 regular eggs and some egg whites. So in the day, I've had 4 eggs total. You want to be careful to not consume too many real egg yolks. I did the mistake the first time around when I got back on Weight Watchers, and I think I had like 8 eggs in one day for like a whole week. And let me tell you, the stomach gas was crazy, and it's from all the sulfur content that is in eggs. I actually did my research on it. So 4 eggs a day will be fine with cholesterol intake, but I like to have eggs at the end of the night too, because it's high in protein and I want something to keep me full through the late night hours. And then also, I'm probably going to go through this whole entire thing of watermelon. I literally will just eat this with a spoon on a plate. This is 0 points because fruits and vegetables are free on Weight Watchers, except you have to count points for potatoes and corn. So this whole entire meal here is going to be 0 points. So I ended the day with a 4 point overage in my points. But basically at the end of the day, if you don't eat all your points, then you restart the next day. It's not something to where you can do a savings account of points and say I have 4 extra points in one day, then it doesn't mean I can have 4 more points the next day. So your points, you either have to eat them or you lose them, and the next day you start over again. So I'm going to do a full video overview of Weight Watchers, but I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of what I eat in a day. So this is going to be my last meal.
And then I have, let's see, my water counter right here. I've gone through 6 16-ounce glasses of water. So I have 2 more things of water to get through. So it is about 7:50. So I'm probably just gonna down those 2 last glasses now so that I can, you know, get all of the peeing done before it's time for me to go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching my What I Eat in a Day video on Weight Watchers, and don't forget to go ahead and check out Misty, check out her video, subscribe to her channel. I'm also going to leave her Instagram handle below as well, so you guys can go ahead and follow her there because she's been posting on Instagram as well. And again, Misty, thank you so much for working with me on this video, and I am so incredibly proud of the progress you've made so far, and just, you know, keep on going, girl.